further the development of our jointly project name of the project. All the costs, one night stay, breakfast included, are covered by the organizers of the workshop conference. So the organization will have to ensure to cover the traveling cost for me, $75 for a return ticket. If it is possible, could I have your approval before I proceed with my request to the HR department today? Thank you very much, Susan, for considering my request for approval. Containing this sample letter or other request for approval. If you have additional comments, please let me know. So, ma'am,
Okay, Faiza, brilliant.
yeah.
Faiza, there's one question. You have read this sample. And I'm asking you, can you point out the sentences in which this person is trying to persuade his boss to allow or to permit him to go for the conference? Which sentences show that he is trying to convince his boss? Can you point out the exact sentences from this sample?
When he says this conference would be a perfect opportunity for the company president.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Exactly. So, can you see in the very first sentence, he has clearly mentioned this thing. And I told you in the classroom as well that in formal letters, we most of the time state our purpose directly. Okay. So, in the very first line, he is telling this thing to the person, to the supervisor, that he has to attend a workshop, and he has mentioned the facts as well. So the what will be the facts? He will mention the dates. Okay, he has clearly mentioned that he wants to take two working days off from date this to this. Okay, so this is the factual information. After this, he is trying to be convincing by saying that this opportunity would be a perfect one for the company to present the recent findings regarding the new project. Okay, and this thing would convince the supervisor to permit him for this uh, 2 day. Basically, it's he's asking for the 2 days off. Okay, it's going to be a paid leave to attend this conference. Okay, and in the second paragraph, he has clearly mentioned the cost of the traveling. Okay, and he has clearly mentioned it's $75. So when you are, even if like you gave us example of coronavirus
So
case.
he said the only ticket is bought by the colleagues, etc. But he said that the one night stay, breakfast, etc. are all covered by the organizer.
That's so, but that's a different, it's a different situation. Like the examples in which we were discussing about the charity or the fundraising, and the one example that you gave about the coronavirus case. In that case, you have to come up with such factual information for the audience. Okay, you have to write such facts to convince your audience to collect money from them. So, Faiza, I'm giving you a chance